Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create this text animation at the background. So I'm going to use HIPAINT app for this. Let's open our HIPAINT app, and this is going to be a horizontal type video. So I'm using 4:3 ratio canvas for this, and now I'm going to use the text tool to create the text font. So I'm just rotating. You can see the blue color dot at the top is to rotate. Moving that, you can rotate like this, and to lengthen the text box you can drag using your hands like this. And if you want to move the text box, just click anywhere around the canvas and just you can move it, and just type the text using the edit option. Now click on this and increase the size. Now keep it centered. Yeah, we have done. If you want to change the text font, you can change the font. Otherwise, click outside the canvas so that the text box will be released. Now this layer is in the text layer, so we cannot use anything here. So click on the rasterize option, then this will become normal layer. We can transform or do any other stuff in this layer only when this layer is rasterized. So now I done that and increase the size by using the transform tool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that line layer, and now click on this font layer, copy, and now click on the lock transparent pixel. So these are the main things that we have to do. Then change the color. Now I'm going to use the leaf brush. What I am going to do is fill the text with various colors one by one in the different layers. So the process is still same, and now also we have to reduce the size of the text a little bit using the transform tool. Make sure you the center is exactly as the same, means place the text exactly center as that of the bigger size text that we have in the background. But exactly it should be at the center. You can see the U shape, the background is still visible perfectly. And now change the color, reduce the size. So the steps are easy. Just duplicate the layer by clicking the copy option, then click on the lock transparent pixel. And if you have already copied the lock transparent pixel layer, then you don't need to click on that again. Then using the leaf brush you have to fill the text with various colors, like in the rainbow color tone or any other. You can try some monochrome colors, or in that way you can try different colors. And like I didn't count the exact number of layers, but you can go up to 15 colors, means 15 layers, because each layer have the different text with different same text with a different color. Also you're going to keep on reducing the size of the text like this, in this way. So like this, same process again and again. Now you can see why I am doing all those things. We got that rainbow vibe in this. So I'm just starting the color from purple, pink, red, yellow, green, blue, and ending up again with the same color, purple. So yeah, I'm almost going to finish. Reduce the size. Now copy the layer, change the color using the leaf brush, change the text color, then reduce the size using the transform tool. Same process again and again. So make sure you keep the center exactly same. How you can fix that? Just make sure the U shape is exactly at the center from the first layer to the end of the last layer. All these layers have the same U position. So now we have done this. So now you get confused with what I have done in the video. Animation is totally different from what I'm doing here, right? Now just release the lock transparent option by clicking on this blue color lock symbol in each layer. Okay, done. Now till the bottom layer, do that and go to the bottom layer. This is the bottom layer, first layer. Go to that. Now go to tiling tool. Now you can adjust the pattern options, styling options. In the same way, you can see the text is repeated on the entire layer. In the same way, we have to do the tiling process, tiling tool option for all the layers to get that text fun all over the layer. As we have reduced the size by some pixels for each layer, the pattern will also have some size variations. You can see at the first layer that repeated pattern fun is not at all that much visible, full text. And now you can see there are so many text repeated in the same layer. Okay, now click on the create animation option in the three dot. Now you will understand what I have done. When you click on the play option, it will move like this. This is why I have done all this process. You can see it's like going inward. As we have reduced the size to the last layer, it is going in that look. And you can also increase the frames per second value to speed up the video, speed up the animation. By increasing further, you can further increase the animation speed, and clicking on the ghost you can get this look like a gradual change in the color of the text from one frame to the another frame. Also, by changing or increasing quantity of the ghost value, you can get the look like this. Yeah, it's like going inward, and you don't need to use this color option. Then when it comes to loop or ping pong, if you are going for ping pong, it will be like going inward then going backward. It's like a reversing forward and backward. In that way it looks. And when you click on the one shot, it will play only one time and the animation will end. So better go for loop or ping pong. I prefer loop in this case. So I'm going to click on the loop option. You can try all these three things based on the animation that you are creating, and you can see it is going forward and backward. I'm going for loop here. Now go to the top layer, then import the image, import the picture, any PNG picture. For example, I don't have any PNG image except my son's image. This one is I created an eagle costume for his school, so that's one. Be on that layer and click on that foreground. So when it is a last layer, it will be asking for a background option, and as it is a front layer, it is asking for the foreground. When you click on that foreground or background option, it will be stand still in the frame, in all the frames, but all other frames will be moving, but you have that background or foreground image as it is a PNG. It remains same. All the background details are visible. Now you can save as GIF I just showed you how to save as GIF, and if you are exporting as a movie or mp4 image, mp4 video, it will ask for the free to use ads, show you some ad. You have to watch the ad fully, and then you can save it again by clicking on that export as mp4. Yeah, you can see in GIF there is no timing details here, but in mp4 you can see 0.01 seconds. So yeah, I hope you like this tutorial, learn some new techniques, easy way to create animation in HiPaint. If so, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.